whatever sector, I mean, the FDIs are coming. The basic reason is because we are growing and we are going to become the world leader. And they want to bring their brand to our country. The branding, because whatever branding has been done, when we talk about consumers, one thing we have to understand, there is a pattern. Consumer has got a pattern in their mind. I'll share one small story with you. There was a boy of 16-year-old. He was having one dog. And the dog he was playing with, he could feel the dog has got a fever actually. So whatever savings he was having, he took the dog to the doctor, and whatever his savings were there, with that he purchased the medicines what doctor has prescribed. And when he came home, he was trying to give that medicine to that dog. He opened the mouth of the dog and forcefully he is putting the medicine. Dog was not accepting that medicine. Dog was not ready to accept that medicine. And in this force, the medicine fell down and the bottle broke. The boy said, "You dirty dog, I tried all my savings for you and you didn't want to get rectified or recover." So he left the dog and he went away. After 2 minutes when he came back again in that room, the dog was licking that medicine actually. It means the pattern which was given to the dog was not acceptable. It is important that dog should be given licking system actually, not I mean the way what the boy was forcing it. Similarly is the branding also. If we try, I mean a small company try to build a brand, it is not that easy, I mean, because it takes its own phase of time to build the brand. Brand building will take its own phase of time. One day you cannot build a brand. Brand building will take its own phase of time. That's why it is a competitive edge among the industries when we talk about how the brand building is built. When we talk of brand again, because I always give some examples so that it is easy to understand. Brand building, when we say, brand is just like a fan hanging here. A fan is hanging. What it is doing? It is taking the same energy from here and distributing the energy to all of us, and we are feeling comfortable. An array of energy is being given to us and we are more comfortable. Same thing is a brand. It takes everything from there and it gives the recognition to the product in such a way that whenever person think of that product, that it will give that brand name first comes in. So that is very important, that how brand building is done. That is very important. In today's market, brand agiles have been coming up. Lot of brand building is coming up actually. Various ways of brand building is there. With this, I welcome you all once again, and we look forward that whatever today value addition is done by our colleagues, it will be useful to you. With this, I thanks one and all. Thank you very much.